Are you intrigued by the mysterious and often unpredictable world of meme coins? This exhilarating digital currency born from internet culture has taken the financial world by storm. Or perhaps you're sitting there pondering how you can effectively invest in the crypto market with little money, hoping for high returns. Meme coins could be the answer and the investment of a lifetime. But first, make sure to research these coins and invest with caution. The crypto market is quite volatile, and understanding its cycles could help you achieve great wealth. Here are the top 5 meme coins, in my opinion, that should skyrocket and reach new heights for this bull run. Let us start the countdown. Starting at number 5, we have Coin. Known for its swift transactions and minimal processing fees, Coin is a name that's quickly gaining traction in the digital currency marketplace. It began as an offshoot of the infamous Dogecoin, catching the attention of big names like Elon Musk, and has since forged its own unique path. Among its innovative features are staking and yield farming, which not only offer rewards to its holders, but also fortify the coin's stability and security. Being backed by a faithful community of investors and enthusiasts, Coin's potential in the digital currency bull run cannot be underestimated. At number 4, we have Coin. Despite being a recent entrant, this meme coin has been making waves already. Coin is deflationary by design, meaning it becomes more valuable with each transaction by burning a percentage of its supply. A coin to watch, it might make history and make many wealthy in the process. Moving up to number 3, we have Shiba Inu. Often referred to as the Dogecoin killer, its popularity has been rapidly increasing, swiftly making its way up to the top 20 crypto coins in market cap. Shiba Inu's potential is rooted in its vibrant ecosystem, characterized by its exciting features and native decentralized exchange known as Shiba Swap. With a dedicated community behind it and a swiftly expanding user base, it has been steadily making progress within the crypto world. At number 2, there's Dogecoin. This unique coin, inspired by the famous Shiba Inu dog, has steadily climbed the ranks since its inception in 2013. Dogecoin is a meme coin that has not only managed to swim with the big fishes in the bull run, but has proven its worth by staying afloat. It's fun, it's popular, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Finally, at number 1, we have Floki Inu. Named in homage to Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog, Floki, this meme coin has truly managed to make its presence felt in the digital currency world. In the dynamic landscape of digital currencies, where volatility is the norm and change is constant, Floki Inu has demonstrated resilience. It has shown promising signs of stability and growth, pointing towards a positive trajectory in the upcoming bull run. To summarize, these 5 meme coin, 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 Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Floki Inu, have unique attributes. The crypto world is ever evolving, and these coins show promise. Make sure to always do your own research for any coin you wish to invest in, and as always, happy investing. Please like and subscribe, as it helps this channel to grow and make more content for you to learn from. Thank you.